In a previous episode, Kim and I bought a storage unit for $40. Today's video is going to show you guys about all these toys that we picked up. Not only that, I'm going to show you some items here that sold online, eBay, along with locally. So let's see what we do today. All right, are you guys ready to see the craziness? Let's do this. Whoa. That's a lot of M&Ms. All of this came out of that unit. All different types of M&M dispensers. This is a Mickey Mouse candy dispenser. Some are brand new in the package. I mean, all of them appear to be brand new. Some are, there's a couple that looks like they're used, like something like that. And, got the cookie jar, fire truck. These here, like this is what I was saying, like that's how it came brand new. I don't think they've ever been used. Some came in boxes. We got some Marios. What's up, Mario? Not much. Been in storage for years. Okay. So we got quite a bit here. Dispensers. And these are kind of all over the board on eBay. And I got to kind of go through these and see what's worth a go. These little teammates here. Looks like they're Dodger ones. And we got some little Mario action here, little cars from Mario Kart Wii. So, yeah, not too bad. This was kind of shocking to find these in the unit. Now it's just finding the right boxes to fit them in to ship them, because I don't like listing things and not having it shipped, like packaged up correctly. You know what I mean? So I got to see if I've got boxes for these. If not, I'm probably gonna have to find me some. Maybe go dumpster diving, or the Dollar General down the road from me usually holds boxes. If I call them, they'll say, "Yeah, I'll hold some." So, but yeah, this is exciting. This is a lot of M&M stuff. We got airplanes, dispensers. We got the jukebox. We got a little saxophone action. So just an added bonus to the unit, and I think they'll do pretty well. Just by looking at some of them online. Some of them, like I said, they're all over the board because people are selling for like $9 shipped, and then some people are selling for $40, $50, and they're selling for $50. So with stuff like this, I'm already going to make money off this unit. So there's no rush to sell this stuff. Obviously, I want to sell it and make some money, but if something like this, for example, this hot rod, I'm not going to race to the bottom and sell this thing for $14 if that's what everybody's doing. I'll just wait it out. I'll put it up there for $35. I'm going to make some money off this stuff. I just don't want to, go into it and go, okay, let me box it up, ship it out the door, and make $1.50. That's crazy. So, yeah, not too bad. With some M&M madness. A freaking Ryobi gas-powered freaking thing. I need some boxes, Jack. I'm looking for some. Here's how this box will work. That box will work. There's literally shoe boxes down here. Cool. Oh yeah, jackpot heaven of boxes. Just what I needed. So let's go over some items that came out of this pretty darn good storage unit I paid $40 for. This is a Radio Shack Pro 94 dual trunking 1000 channels police handheld scanner, tested and works. This sold for $43.95 and literally sold within an hour on eBay. This was an interesting item that came out of the unit. I've never heard of this particular brand, but it sold, so I was pretty happy about it. I listed it. It took 2 days to sell. It's a custom 7-gas chrome striped butane vintage lighter made in Japan, and it ended up selling for $25 plus looks like $4.53 shipping for $29.53 shipped. I love finding remotes in storage units because if you find one, you probably find a bunch of them, and they could be worth some money on eBay. People are always looking to find a remote that's one maybe they lost, or they're looking to replace one, or maybe they bought an item and it didn't come with a remote. And so there's a market for it on eBay. They don't bring a lot of money. It just depends on what type of remote you got. In this video, I'll show you a couple that low-end ones like this one here, and something that sold for a little bit more money. But this is a Bionaire Tower Fan BCH9208 replacement remote control tested and works. This sold for $10.95 and took 4 days to sell on eBay. Here we have another remote control. This took 4 days to sell on eBay. It's a heat surge fireplace replacement. Remote control tested and works. Sold for $15.95, shipped. This literally sold within an hour on the good old eBay. Los Angeles Dodgers little teammates, a lot of 3 collectible MLB display figures, brand new. And I got $19.95 shipped for them. Besides DVDs, remote controls are very easy to ship and easy to list. And there's decent money in them. Here's another one here. This one took 5 days to sell on eBay. Billionaire Tower Heater. I'm not going to go through the number here, but the model number. Replacement, remote control tested and works. And I got $11.45 shipped for this. Not a lot of people know that you can sell used perfume on eBay. It's actually a really good market for it. This item here took 6 days to sell. It's a Ralph Lauren Blue Woman's 2.5 fluid ounce 75 ml perfume, 65% full, and I got $31.45 shipped for this. I've always had good luck lotting up similar artists' CDs or cassettes, stuff like that on eBay, because if you look up certain CDs or cassette tapes or whatever it is, you'll see, I mean, a company like Declutter is selling them for like $3.10 shipped. It's craziness. So this didn't bring a lot of money, and it took 6 days to sell. It's a Bob Marley and the Wailers 3 CD lot, and we got a total of $7.96 shipped for it. I was a little hesitant about putting this out on eBay because I've sold these pretty well at the flea market when I was doing it in the past. So I decided, you know what, let's just go for it, right? This took 8 days to sell. It's a Kobe MP600-2G portable black music MP3, 2 gigabyte player, tested and works. It did have music on it. I didn't delete it off there, so I put it in the description. I said, hey, it's fully loaded with Bob Marley. So maybe that's why it's sold. I don't know. But we got $12.76 shipped for this small little thing. I'll take it. Just as I did with the CDs, I did this with these DVDs. It's Clint Eastwood 4 DVD lot. One of them was brand new and sealed. The other 3 were used. This took 7 days on the good old eBay, and it sold for $11.16 shipped out the door. There's actually some good money in power adapter replacements. That's what this is here. This is a West Bend Sensatemp WB number 1 heat control skillet probe power adapter. And this one here took 8 days to sell on eBay for $11 shipped. Here's another item I think people would overlook. You could do very well with name brand boxes or packages or bags or dust bags. When I get these, whether it's an iPhone box or whatever it may be, I have really good luck selling them. You're not going to get rich doing it, but it will make some money for you here. This item here took 9 days to sell on eBay. It's a Coach Leatherware Women's Authentic Wallet White Dust Cover Bag and Gift Box. This sold for $9.31 shipped. Here we have another replacement cord. This one took 11 days to sell on eBay. It's a Presto Fry Daddy 09982 magnetic replacement power supply adapter. And this sold on sale for $8.45 shipped. Here we have an item here that came out of the unit as well. It's a Pampered Chef number 2781 Chilzana? I don't know. That was what it was called. A rectangle server tray, new in the box. And this took 7 days to sell on eBay on sale for $37.46 shipped. It sold via promoted listings. This also sold on promoted listings. It took 11 days to sell. Sling Link Turbo W1 SL300-100 home plug Ethernet over power adapter. It was brand new in the box. Sold on sale for $9.71 shipped. Here's a little item here that took, this one took 12 days to sell on eBay. God of Wonders DVD from 2009. It was brand new and sealed. There's a small little disc there, and I figured there's a long tail, but it sold relatively quick. Anytime something sells within 30 days, I look at that as pretty quick. I mean, obviously, if it sells in a day, that's amazing, but the reality is when you're going through stuff and you're selling stuff that's sporadic, and you don't have like a complete niche stuff stored, you've got just random items, you just throw the stuff up there and see what sticks. This one stuck. $6.95 shipped. Now this one surprised me here. This took 15 days to sell on eBay. Fiber Stars WPC-2 wireless light replacement remote control, tested and works. Got $35.96 plus shipping for a grand total of $42.15 out the door. Decent money in some of these remotes. Don't overlook these things. Here we have a Kenmore Pet HandyMate Progressive Intuition Vacuum Upholstery Brush Attachment. This item here took 16 days to sell on eBay for $9.56 shipped. You remember this one? We sold this one. This is an In-N-Out Restaurant California Hamburger Drive-In White Graphic T-shirt size large. This took 11 days to sell on eBay for $9.25 plus shipping for a grand total of $15.44 shipped. I had two of these mugs that came out of a unit, but Maddie wanted the pink one, so she got it. This one took 4 days to sell on eBay. It's a Starbucks 2014 metallic green stainless steel travel cup coffee mug. It was brand new. And it sold for $21.95 shipped. When I'm looking at items from storage units or anything in general, I decide, okay, is this something I'm going to sell online or is this something I'm going to sell local? And I looked at this one and I said, you know what, let's just, if it's a low price, let's just throw it out there and see if it flips pretty quick. This one took 19 days to sell on eBay. It's a Kobe CX-49 AM/FM radio cassette tape portable Walkman player with headphones. This sold for $13.95 shipped. And let me show you guys a couple items I sold locally here. This was this Keurig that came out of the unit, and this sold within 3 days of me posting it on Facebook Marketplace for 25 bucks. Cashola. Oh yeah. And here's the last item I'm going to show for today that sold out of this unit. I had this at $40 to $50 on Facebook Marketplace. It just wasn't moving. And a lady reached out to me. She's like, I got $25. And I said, well, I've got your dresser. That's what I took for it, 25 bucks. It's out of my garage, it's out of my hair, which now that reminds me, I've got some items that are on Facebook Marketplace that are electronics that I need to pull off and see if I can sell them on eBay because it's crazy. So this unit had some good stuff, and I've got plenty more stuff to sell. I'll probably make an update video to it. Depends just on how long some of the stuff takes to sell. I mean, not everything sells within 30 days, you know. So, but I did pull these. I didn't pull them off Facebook Marketplace. I still left them on there, and I just can't believe they haven't sold. There was interest, no doubt about it. I'm not joking when I say this. I've probably had a good 50 to 60 people interested in combined with of all these items. But they're no-shows, they're flakes, and just wasting time, you know, along with the lowballers. I'll give you $5 for that phone, it's not worth anything. How about $10 for that laptop and an old piece of corn? I mean, it's craziness. I mean, you know, I understand where I live, and, you know, I'm sure there's certain areas where you're not dealing with craziness, but maybe it is from a lot of people I've talked to. Facebook Marketplace is nutty, no doubt. So I'm going to list these on eBay, see if we can get these sold. If not, when I do my flea market, I'll bring them with, and I'm pretty sure I can get rid of them then. So I really appreciate you guys watching today's video. I like to kind of show in these videos, you know, the journey of the storage unit, good or bad, you know. And this was a great unit. Not every unit is amazing like this, but I just want to kind of stress and document, you know, if you're looking at getting into storage unit business, you know, it's doable. It's a lot of hard work, a lot of effort. But it could pay off like this unit did here for sure. So if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. If you're new to my channel and you're watching this, please hit the subscribe button. I want to thank all of you guys that are subscribed, even all you guys from back in the day. It's been a long journey here on YouTube. Go out there, be great. We'll talk soon. All right, there we go. Let's see. This is a brand new Black & Decker Bullseye laser level. I mean, it literally looks brand new. I don't think it's ever been used or even taken out of the package.